Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Ayatsk electric guitar. Ayatsk electric guitar features 5 types of pickup switches and 2 types of tone and volume controls to choose from. It is suitable for both beginners and professionals, accommodating a wide variety of musical styles. Your electric guitar set comes ready to play right out of the box. No need to buy any additional accessories. This full set comes with an amplifier and guitar cable, high-quality guitar bag, electronic tuner, 6 spare strings, guitar picks, whammy bar, capo, cleaning cloth, and guitar strap. Your electric guitar set comes ready to play right out of the box. No need to buy any additional accessories. This full set comes with an amplifier and guitar cable, high-quality guitar bag, electronic tuner, 6 spare strings, guitar picks, whammy bar, capo, cleaning cloth, and guitar strap. Custom designed and handcrafted laurel fingerboard and birch neck. It translates vibrations into the rich, classic tones in the guitar through 3 pickups. The design of the C-type neck is more comfortable. Our second best electric guitar for beginners is Genie electric guitar. Genie electric guitar delivers a smooth tone ideal for rock and roll, playing the blues, and everything else in between. The natural, bright sound complements the warm sounds of the solid wood. Solid wood construction is good for long lifetime of the guitar and turning machine. This Genie full-size electric guitar is just the ticket. This beautiful Genie electric guitar is a functional electric guitar. You'll be playing your favorite tunes with practice and dedication. Good quality and beautiful surface make it a best choice for you. It is lightweight and easy to carry. High density and hard texture basswood is good for long lifetime of the guitar and turning machine. It has a comfortable touch feel and easy to sound. With fashionable design and excellent quality, it's the best welcome gift. The electric guitar comes with a travel bag, so you can take your guitar to your lesson or anywhere you want. You can lift or carry the guitar with straps. The bag designed with zip closures, you can also keep your music score or accessories inside conveniently. Third choice in our list is Licks Pro electric guitar. Perfect for beginner and intermediate players, plug-in guitar features high-quality materials including premium rosewood fingerboard, Canadian maple neck, volume/tone, SSS pickups, knobs and more. Ultimate starter package includes full-size guitar and all the parts and equipment they need to rock straight out the box, perfect choice for novice and intermediate players. Pack includes 20 watts amp with built-in speaker, headphone jack and aux input for playing along to music on phone or MP3 player. Integrated controls include gain, bass, treble, volume, and grind. Battery-operated mini clip-on tuner and instruction book teaches kids to tune their guitar for best sound quality. Kit also comes with steel strings, picks, and comfortable shoulder strap. All-in-one set for dummies is a budding musician's dream. From home to school to lessons, learning the guitar has never been so easy. Perfect present for Christmas, birthday, and beyond. Number 4 in our side is Donner DST-100S full-size electric guitar. Donner electric guitar has 2 classic single-coil pickups and 1 Power 203S humbucker pickup. 5 ways pickup switches and 2 tone and volume controls for choosing. Suitable for both beginners and professionals. HSS pickups are not just perfect for a Texas blues/rock sound, but for other musical styles too. Donner DST-100 beginner electric guitar bundle uses purple heartwood fingerboard, poplar solid body, Canadian maple neck with C-shaped profile, classic design, comfortable fit. He 39-inch electric guitar features a pickup selector switch, a volume knob, and 2 different tone knobs. 22 copper nickel frets with fret position marks on the neck and top of the fingerboard, and also is smooth and friendly to your hands. Donner electric guitar set comes with a portable amplifier, 600D quality bag, capo, strap, extra string, digital tuner, amp cable, and picks as gifts. Also, with free online lessons, you can play guitar immediately when you receive them. Last in our top 5 best electric guitar for beginners list is Best Choice Products Electric Guitar. Your electric guitar set comes ready to play right out of the box and is custom designed and handcrafted to convert vibration to electric sound for you to embellish with fun features. No need to purchase any additional accessories. This all-inclusive set comes with an amplifier and cable, a nylon carrying case, extra strings, a pick, whammy bar, electronic tuner, and a shoulder strap with an attached pick holder. New model features a quality paint finish, custom black tuning pegs, and accented binding for a sleek, sophisticated electric guitar look. Rock out and experiment with different styles and genres of music with adjustable sound that lets you play anything from blues to rock. The tremolo bridge system allows you to bend the pitch as you play, and the removable whammy bar produces tremolo effects. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.